Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Authenticator from your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete or uninstall your Authenticator application from your device, you just simply have to long tap into your Authenticator and this uninstall button will directly appear. Now you just simply have to tap into that button in order to uninstall. But if this method is not working into your device, just simply open Play Store and into there search for Microsoft Authenticator application, and then you can see this Microsoft Authenticator application into there. Just simply open it and then you will get the option of uninstall. Just simply tap into that and uninstall the application. This way you can easily uninstall your Microsoft Authenticator into your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.